Okay, here we go. This is my wheat beer after 9 days. Good sign. It's a very good sign. Look at that. It's beautiful. Perfect. Lots of bubbles. Yeah. Look at Daddy made beer again. And it's really good.
Why?
Lots of bubbles. Good. Another success.